eCart website is one of the most useful and most used tools which I've been facing and which I've been using in nowadays. I have built an eCart website which has been fully built on Pega, which uses all those Pega built-in features and which has been designed inside Pega for users application. So this is the Pega web login of my page, in which it shows displays various numbers of things which has been available on the websites, so from which the user can scroll down their following website and he can see what are the items available here, and he can use all those features which has been available on a ready-made website which has been easily available on Pega. This is Pega web login here, and he can give login here. It will goes to login page and everything which has been created inside Pega only, and clearly you can show that it has been hosted in localhost in PR web servlet, and they're using their username and password, using their Pega credentials. Either they can log inside or otherwise they can use it with sign in with Google Future. So while giving sign in with Google Future, it will readily enter into the Pega. So now the user enter into their user portal and they can see what are the things which has been available on that e-commerce website. So as per everything which has been present on a normal website, everything has been built according to Pega's credentials and Pega's utilities. So everything which has been built using the help of dynamic layout and embedded dynamic layout, and many number of portals and skin rules has been applied to create it so far. A YouTube video has been also embedded inside the Pega's portal area, so that every utilities which has been readily available in Pega itself. So with the help of Pega, we can usually use and usually design more number of UI exciting and enthusiastic UI features here, and we can also buy and add products to our cart. We can easily click buy now here and it will go for the payments page. In payments page, we have also added a special feature in which the user can give a discount code readily available given by the website. So while giving the discount code itself, the amount of the price of the given product will get discounted, and this is the one of the feature which has been enabled here and has been used here. So after the user can use many number of features here, like they can use more number of credit card and debit card here. So according to them, the payment process will take place, and the payment process will be successfully takes place, and at the end the user will successfully receive an SMS message about their order number and order ID, when and will the order will be delivered. And as like as a full-fledged full website, everything which can be easily developed and deployed in Pega. So this is the one of the most utility function which can be done using Pega.